Hello and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how we work with multi-language labels. We have to tweak a little bit because my browser is automatically translating. So if I show you different languages, it is changing it automatically, and you have to tweak it a little bit that it doesn't happen. So just for the beginning, I want to show you how it looks like. And just for some labels, I log in as a German user. And you see we have all the labels here in German. Same for pages, is always the same as German. If I log out, log in as an English-speaking user, we should have everything in English, as you can see here. And now we have to do the tweaking, because I also want to show you that we can have a third language, and that is Thai, but the browser is automatically translating because I don't speak Thai. And now we have everything in Thai as well as the page. So, and from here I want to show you how we make it work, how we build it in our application. So we have multi-language field labels. We are creating multi-language field labels in our application. Let's talk about the requirements. What are field labels? Field labels are placeholders and field names on a page. That was a page I showed you, or multiple pages. Why do we need to use field labels? Because we want to show you, the user, what the field is doing. As there's a connection between the field in the database, the field in the application, and its value. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of using field labels? One is, the first one that happens to, I would say, almost everyone, is that the length of the string can destroy your entire page layout. You have to test everything in all languages. That is a little bit more effort for you when it comes to testing, but it is easier than using a different way when you have to test the application with data. With our approach, you only need to open the page. You see everything is in order, page design, page layout is working, then it's fine. So which language should we use? Of course, the user's language. Our solution is we create a table in the database. First field is the page name, is a key field. Second field in the table is the language code, is a key field as well. And here we store the following data. So in page name, we are using the same as the component name. So we are using Razor components, and the name is account class data dot Razor. So page name, account class data, just to identify if you have any issues, any problems, you know where to look at. You look into the database, you find all the labels you need. Then the language code is the 3-digit international language code. And then you have multiple fields, and we created them as field labels plus a number in there. And you have to decide how big are your pages. Do I have pages with very limited maybe 4 or 5 labels only, and next page has 30, then you have to decide, because you will have empty fields in there, empty columns in your table. But this is how it looks like in the database. So we have English, German, Thai, as you have seen in the short demo. How we do that? We have the HTML part, and we have the, hold a second, just clicking is probably not the best idea. So we have the placeholder is the list and the field name, and we are using an interface and a service, and this is how it looks like in the page itself. So we have populating the list as an async service, and our key fields will be populated with the name of the page and the user's language. So that's basically everything. What I also want to show you is that I need to have a different language. Otherwise I will not find the page we are looking for. We have a page. We created a page that allows us to change labels within the application. So let's take this one here. And if you go in here and you change the labels, you save. As soon as a user opens the page, the user will see those labels. It's just for administration. We should not give the user access to this page, just one admin in case they are not happy with our translations. Yes, that's basically everything about multi-language field labels. It's not much to see. If you have any questions, drop us a comment or send us an email, and we can help you with the code or with the building the solution if you need. Okay, thanks for listening. See you in the next video.